Hello, my name's Laura Crawford and I'm the founder of Creative Learners. I have been teaching art and photography in mainstream schools for the past 17 years, but from September I will be leaving the classroom in order to support more students online. I am aware that there's a real gap in the home educated offering when it comes to the creative subjects, and so I have designed a course that is the equivalent to a GCSE in photography. It will cover all of the skills that you would need in order to produce a really strong portfolio. It will be scaffolded from skills development units through a distortion project, looking at pattern in nature, and also an independent project at the end, which is the equivalent of the exam project, so that students will go through the full process, the same assessment objectives. They will explore a wide range of artists and photographers, develop ideas creatively and practice all of that. It's a really practical course and it is designed to be heavily self-differentiated so that all students, no matter what your needs or ability, can fully access the work. Students will work through video lessons which are all on demand, meaning that they can do it anywhere in the world and at any time to suit them, as well as having the opportunity to replay and to pause and to go back over things if they want to. I am really excited to be offering this from this September. The spaces are limited for the home educated cohort, but enrolment is open now. So if you are interested in finding out more, please download the brochure to give you a full overview, and do get in touch if you have any questions.